Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 20A of chapter 20, mensuration. One question is written on this board. Question number 2. Find the area of a rectangular plot. Find the area of a rectangular plot, one side of which is 48 meter and its diagonal is 50 meter. So draw diagram of the rectangular plot. A, B, C, D be a rectangular plot and its one side length equal to 48 meter. Find breadth and diagonal is given 50 meter. Angle B is 90 degree. So in right triangle ABC, in right triangle ABC, B equal to under root L square plus diagonal D is diagonal. Sorry. Longest side is diagonal, hypotenuse. So diagonal square minus L square equal to 50 square minus 48 square. That implies equal to 50 square equal to 2500 and 48 square. Multiply 48 into 48. 48 into 48. 8 8 the 64 of 4. Carry 6. 4 8 the 32. Plus 6. 32 plus 6, 38. And 48 multiplied by 4 times. 8 4 the 32 of 2 carry 3. 4 4 the 16 plus 3, 19. Add it. 4, 8 plus 2, 10 of 0. Carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 9, 13 of 3. Carry 1, 1, 1, 2. 2304 minus 2304 equal to, subtract it, 10 minus 4, 6 and 9 minus 0, 9, 4 minus 3, 1, 196. The square root of 196 is 14 meter. So breadth is 14 meter. Now find area of rectangular field is L into B equal to length is 48 meter into 14 meter equal to 14 meter. So multiply multiply 48 and 14. 14 8 by 14. 8 4 are 32 of 2 carry 3. 4 4 are 16 plus 3 19. 8 1 are 8 and 4 1 are 4. Add it. 2 9 plus 8 17 of 7 carry 1 1 1 2 plus 4 6 672 meter square. 672 meter square answer of the rectangular area of the rectangular plot. So understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 4. In this question, the area of a rectangular field is 3584 meter square and its length is 64 meter. A boy runs around the field at the rate of 6 kilometer per hour. How long will he take to go 5 times around it? So given in this question, area equal to 3584 meter square and length is 64 meter. Therefore, breadth equal to area by length equal to 3584 meter square divided by 64 meter. First of all, meter to a square of meter cancel. Divided by 4 times. 16 4 ja 64 and 3584 divided by 4. 4 8 ja 32. 4 9 ja 36. So 4 8 ja 32. 3 4 9 ja 36. 4 9 ja 36. So 2 4 24. 4 6 ja 4 6 ja 24. Now 16 times. 16 5 ja 16 5 ja 80 and 16 6 ja 96 equal to 56 meter. Length 64 meter and breadth 56 meter. A boy runs around the field at the rate of 6 kilometer per hour. How long will he take to go 5 times around it? So 1 times around it means perimeter. Perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B equal to 2 into length 64 plus 56 meter equal to 2 into 6 plus 4 10 of 0 carry 1 6 plus 5 11 1 12 120 meter equal to 240 meter. Distance 5 times. So 5 into 240 meter. 5 into 240 meter. 25 is 120 meter. Now find given a speed equal to 6 kilometer per hour. 6 kilometer per hour. Therefore, time equal to speed equal to distance by time. So time equal to distance by speed. Distance by speed. So distance 1200 meter and speed equal to 6 kilometer per hour. Now change it. 1200 meter, 6 kilometer change into meter. So 6000 meter, 6000 meter divided by hour. Hour change into minute. So 60 minute. 1 hour equal to 60 minute. Now cancel it. Meter to meter. Double zero to double zero. 12 5 the 60 and 12 5 the 60 also. So equal to answer is 12 minute. 12 minutes answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 7. Today it is the last question. In this question, the cost of carpeting a room is 15 meter long with a carpet of width 75 cm at rupees 80 per meter is rupees 19,200. Find the width of the room. So length of the room is given here. Length of the room equal to 15 meter. Breadth of the length of the room equal to 15 meter. Breadth of the carpet. Breadth of the carpet. Breadth of the carpet equal to 75 cm. Equal to 75 cm. Now find length of the carpet. Given the rate and total cost. So length of the carpet. Length of the carpet. Now 75 cm change into meter. So 75 by 100 meter. 25 3 the 75 and 25 for the 100 equal to 3 by 4 meter. 3 by 4 meter is the width of the carpet. Now length of the carpet equal to total cost by rate equal to total cost by rate. So total cost rupees 19,200 by rate is rupees 80. 10 to 10. 24 8 192 and 0 equal to 240 meter. 240 meter is the length of the carpet. So area of the room. Area of the room. Since carpet laid on the floor of the room, so area of the room equal to area of the carpet. area of the carpet equal to length into breadth. So 240 meter into 8 meter. 240 meter into breadth of carpet is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 meter. Divided is 4 times. 4 6 are 24. 60 meter equal to 63 are 180 meter a square. 180 meter a square. Now we have to find the breadth of the carpet. Breadth of the room equal to area by length. Area equal to 180 meter square. 180 meter square by length of room is 15 meter. Meter to meter square cancel. And 15 times 15 1 is 15, 3 and 15 2 is 30. So equal to 12 meter is the answer of this question. So understand and write it. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 28, question number 1 to 7. Thank you. That's all.